let's see how our cookies are doing. Well, as you can see, some of them got a little bit brown and some of them not quite as much. One of the important things to remember when making cookies is to try and keep the dough thickness the same and also the size of the cookies similar throughout to ensure more even baking. Now, fortunately, those don't look too brown to eat. So what we're going to do is let them cool in the pan for a minute before taking them off with our cookie spatula. Now, this is really nice because it's got a very wide bottom for getting the larger cookies off. Now, for cookies, it's really important to cool them completely before you frost them. Actually, for pretty much anything. So you want to, they've been out of the oven for a few moments, so they're coming right off of the foil wrapped cookie sheet. Now, I didn't mention it before, but it is very important that most cookies, because of their high fat content, do not need anything to keep them from sticking to the cookie sheet. You want to have an ungreased cookie sheet when you're making cookies. This will also ensure that they don't spread out too far and they're not slipping and sliding all over. Oops, we don't want this little one getting away. Now, for the ones that we decorated with sugar, you can see that the sugar stuck nicely to the cookie. And for the other ones, we'll be able to ice them or decorate them in other ways that you see fit.